Hello, today I'm going to be sharing a unique Malaysian dish called Nasi Lemak or coconut rice. This is a very popular dish among Malaysians, and it is also a dish that represents the country, its people and culture, as the ingredients used are common ingredients that are usually found in local shops and markets. Nasi Lemak is often enjoyed for breakfast, but it's also a popular choice for lunch and dinner. So today, I'm going to be sharing this recipe with you, and no matter where you are, I hope you can try out this very unique Malaysian dish. So first off, we need to make the chili paste, and here I'm using 2 fresh chilies, 1 red, 1 green. You can use any species of chili according to your tolerance for spiciness. On top of that, you will also require garlic and onions and some dried chili. Then put all the ingredients into a blender and blend until smooth. So what I have here isn't actually fine enough. It's not a big issue, but they should actually be blended well into a paste. Now, over to a bowl with tamarind paste. Just add in some water and mix well to get the juice out of the paste. Next, over to a pan with oil. Add in the blended ingredients, some salt, and the tamarind juice. Slowly heat up the mixture and then add in the sugar. If you realize, this chili will have all the flavors that complement each other. Be sure to mix well until all the water has evaporated and the oil from the chili has been released, and at the end you'll end up with a dark aromatic paste like this. Turn off the heat and set that aside while we move on to the rice. Here I have rice that I have washed. To that, add in coconut milk and water, as well as some salt. Then, here I'm adding in a few pandan leaves, which you can buy frozen from the Asian grocery store if you cannot find them fresh. Moving on to the condiments. Firstly, we have the peanuts, which you want to pan fry till golden brown. You don't really need the oil for this. Next, using the same pan with some oil, add in the dried anchovies and fry until crispy and golden brown. Also, don't forget to slice up some cucumber. And lastly is putting everything together. We have the fragrant coconut rice, the flavoursome chili, the peanut, and anchovies. And I'm also gonna add in an egg. And lastly, the cucumbers. Now, this dish is usually served wrapped in banana leaf, but you can also find them served on plates. I really hope you can try this out. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and share this video around. I'll see you all soon in the next episode.